cutter for
Yep, okay.
shift.
Hey, we've talked these things through a few times. What we're doing, come over here so you can see right where we're going, and then you can watch that. Look at this. This has just been cut. Now what we're doing is smoothing the edges. We're going to take it here on the edge.
Wow.
So we hold it, we give it a little bit of a, we take it and we go like this. Why do we do that? That's because as we roll this slightly, not enough to make a real big deal out of it, but what we're doing now is giving it a bit of an arc. And I've tried not to catch my fingers in it because it hurts like hell. But you can see this is how we do it. We keep it, he keeps it at level. It's very important what Andreas does. This cannot be done with one person. At least not with this person. There may be some. Now we're going to start rolling the curve.
That's
The reason
beautiful.
is, if you come here and take a close look with your camera, come right here and see the edges here. See how rough they are?
Yes.
Okay, now we're going to start rolling the.
Gonna even it out.
All right. We got to get it in the middle. Okay. Now. Get that in the middle. The more we can get it in the middle, that's where your even pressure is. This is called an Edwards wheel. Made this thing with Kent Fuller ourselves. Not perfect, but it does do what we want it to do. What we're doing now is rolling the edges flat, smooth. Then we'll file and sand and do all the stuff that one needs to do. Now I'm going to put a little more pressure on it. So I want to get this edge really good. This is strictly for the edge. What this does, it gives it just a little bit of a puff. We keep it turned like that. It strengthens it too. This one hasn't, we didn't do the final trim on this one, did I?
No.
So that's next. Now let's get this in here. Okay, now let me loosen this just a little bit. Just give it like that. That's what we do. Now, back and forth. It leaves a witness line. Usually I do this with a very fine oil, but it gets awful messy. And this is pretty good. This is working. Got to work that edge. Okay, that should do it for the video. I don't want to make it too long and boring for you, but you can see what we're doing. This is the process. Now we'll trim it. We might have to come back and do this again. There we go. So there's your panel.